I'm Kirk Mastin, and I am the founder of Mastin Labs.
My name is Jeff Bello, and I'm a wedding photographer.
My name is Natasha Williams, and I've been shooting for about 7 years.
My name is KP Singh. I'm from Seattle, and I do street photography.
I'm Nikki Barron. I'm the Director of Marketing at Mastin Labs, as well as a film photographer.
Photography is a really powerful tool to encourage equality and love between people.
Why love is important? It's because love transcends all.
It's in street photography, you always want to capture emotion. I feel like that's what really speaks.
It's the best when you see, families really loosen up and you start seeing all those different little special moments between them.
The thing about photography is that it teaches people to have empathy for things that they don't understand or they're not currently part of.
I belong to a very small community, which is the Sikh community. It's kind of nice to actually show I guess folks that maybe have been almost demonized.
When I was in Cuba recently, you're not really supposed to take photos of the guards, but when my partner and I were traveling there, we actually saw a really intimate moment between two guards. They were standing back to back and they were holding hands.
To be able to show a different side of that, or to show love, for example.
To see that even this person had love and couldn't resist the opportunity to touch the person that they love, I think was really amazing.
When the groom saw the bride, or they saw each other for the first time, and it's always an awesome moment.
In 2007, I had the honor of shooting my first same-sex marriage, and by taking their photos, I was part of the effort of normalizing something that should be normalized.
For people to see positive images, like for me, being a woman of color, and whenever I put them out there, I feel like it's just a positive view for people to see.
You can reach people and show them something that they might not normally be looking for.
As photographers, we have the power and the privilege to shoot images of love and hope and inspiration, and by sharing those images with the world, we can make the world a better place.